Alright guys, here's the rest of our stash for 2012. I'll just start with the big stuff. Blue Brocade Barrage, Mega Mojo, Live Free or Die, Battle of Antietam, Wicked Willows. Down here is 2 Critical Blasts, Yo Heave Ho, Tropic Thunder, 2 Nailed It's, we got those for free. Warbirds, got that for free. Cosmic Eruption, got that for free also. Pyrotechnic Motherlode, Untamed Retribution, 2 Molten Cores, and then here's some fountains. Fantasia Fountain, Komodo 3000 Fountain, the X7. Down here is the Fear No Evil 5 break shells, we got those for free. We got the X-Cals. Up there are some TNT canister shells. This is a Fireworks Fiesta. This is the 200 gram stuff. Cascade of Color, Seaside Garden, Solar Explosion, Swarming Skeeters, the Raptor, Rain of Fire, Semperfi, Firebase Alpha, the Mighty Cobra, Fiery Falcons, Colortopia, Power Cell, 2 Silver Sonic Warheads, Midnight Monsoon, Boston Tea Party, Phantasm 2, 2 Emerald Cities, Willow Among the Palms. This is a Vapor Trails, Blue Ringed Willows down here, Galactic Glitz, an Invasion. I think that's all the cakes, and then we got some Roman candles down here, bottle rockets, ground bloom, flowers, smoke balls, these UFO things, power dome rockets, smiley rockets, and then we got these Grucci canister shells, and then got 1 board fused up, the tubes, firing system over there. That's the stash. Pretty cool.